Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miaira Jennings, and in this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Stay tuned. Alright guys, on Instagram stories this week, I asked you if you wanted to see me transform curtains or pillowcases into something to wear. I really wanted to do something unconventional, and to be honest, our founding fathers did not intend for me to play small ball with this DIY game, you know? So I had to step it up. And you guys chose the curtains by a hair, so that's what I'll be using today. Now, I actually got these curtains, no joke, for $8 from Ross, and I ended up not using them for my bedroom, so I thought they would be perfect. I'm also using my sewing machine, fabric scissors, sewing clips, thick elastic, and sewing pins. That is it. For more info, just scroll down to that description box, and let's get started. First, I am laying one of the curtains out and folding it in half so the folded side is at the top. And this is going to be where I insert the elastic for the waistband. And this is where you must take a break to cuddle with your little dog. Do not skip this step or the whole thing will be ruined. And as you can see, this is what the skirt portion of the dress will look like once it's done, with a nice little slit. Show some legs, turn some heads, the usual. And now let's move on to the top. Now I am taking the other curtain, folding it in half so the edges line up neatly, then using my fabric scissors to cut straight across about 16 inches or so down from the top. Now I'm just cutting that piece of fabric in half, and I'm going to use these pieces for the cups of the top of the dress. Now I'm taking that same curtain and cutting the bottom hem off, and then cutting that strip in half. These are going to be the straps of the dress, and I just folded them in half and clipped them. And all together, this is what the basic form of the dress is going to look like. As you saw, I really didn't measure anything, so I just kind of laid down next to it to see if I could tell if it would fit, and it looked like it would, so let's go to the sewing machine. First, I'm sewing a waistband opening at the top of the skirt, leaving enough room for the elastic. I attached a bobby pin to the end of a piece of elastic that I had pre-measured to fit around my waist, and then I just slipped it all the way through to the other side of that opening. Now I'm just placing the ends of the elastic together and sewing them in place. Alright, and once that is sewn, I am working that fabric all the way around to cover up all the elastic, and then I'm going to sew the slits together just at the top a few inches down, so, you know, we don't have any accidental wardrobe malfunctions or anything in that area. Now I am sewing those folded straps along the edges, and then I am placing the bottom of the strap in the middle of the top of each of those bra cup pieces that I cut. I'm just going to attach that using the sewing machine. Now I am folding and bunching the top of that cup piece, and then sewing through those layers. And as you can see, it creates a nice bunched triangular look. And I did the same thing to the other piece and strap. Now I'm cutting out a thick strip from the excess curtain fabric and folding it in half. This is going to be the waistband tie. The final step is to put everything together. To do this, I just slipped the skirt portion on, and I tied the straps together and then slipped those cup fabric pieces into the skirt. Then I used pins to pin them in place onto the waistband. Looking back, I probably should have attached those top pieces to spandex or something like that to create a kind of bodysuit effect, so that way the skirt could be its own standalone piece and the top could be worn as a bodysuit underneath jeans or any other bottoms. But for now, I just sewed those pieces directly onto the waistband. Guys, I'm still trying to get over the fact that I am using actual curtains for this project, but please comment below and let me know some other ideas of items or materials that you'd like to see me DIY into clothes. And last but not least, I am adding a final touch to the straps, and I'm just wrapping those top bunched portions of each cup with a strip of the curtain fabric and then sewing it in place, just to make things a bit neater. And now, as you can see, I have added a baddie ponytail to my look just for the drama that this dress is giving me, okay? A dollar make me holla, honey boo boo child. And that is it, guys. It seriously looks like something I could have bought from a store. Oh, I cannot wait to try this on. Let's go. Guys, I shocked myself with this one, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this as much as I do. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think and let me know what you want to see me DIY next. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And if you're not, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss a DIY video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. That'll do, pig, that'll do.